Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in ruby red metallic. With a black leather interior and seating for 5, this 4-door pickup has a 6.5-foot box and a 3.6-liter V6 4-wheel drive EcoBoost engine, as well as an FX4 off-road package, a sport package, and a trailer tow package. It's easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage, cup holder, and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Your side view mirrors can also power fold, and there's memory settings for 3 different drivers. Driver enjoys a powered seat with lumbar support. Just off to the side there, you have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, dash lights, and your LED side view mirror spotlights. Your steering wheel can power tilt and telescope, and there's grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. On the face of your steering wheel, you have dash controls, cruise controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls with volume. This is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and press the start button. Up above on the dash is where you'll see any important messages. You also have a menu you can toggle through: My View, Trip/Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. Off to the side there, you have your B&O stereo speaker system. Just below that is a little storage bin. Hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, front camera, and auto start-stop. Below that, you have your touchscreen media display center. You can click over into audio, up into sources. You have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth stereo. You can also click over into climate for settings such as your heated steering wheel. You also have navigation, and you can click over into settings, slide across for things like Wi-Fi hotspot. It's also where you'll see your rear backup camera view when going in reverse. Below that, you have your volume and tuner, as well as your CD player. You have dual climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Both driver and passenger enjoy heated and cooled seats. Below that's a little storage bin with 2 USB outlets, 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Automatic select shifter, and on the side there you have drive mode. Give that a press and it'll be shown up above on the dash. Normal, tow haul, snow/wet, eco, sport, and background again to normal. Couple of cup holders just there, park assist, and lane keeping. In your armrest, there's a clip on the end there, plenty of storage as well as that removable bin, and just below that you have a 12-volt outlet. Off to the side you have another 12-volt outlet as well as a 110-volt. Locking glove compartment, auto dimming rear view mirror, power sliding rear window, universal garage door opener, sunglasses holder, lighting controls, and when you're ready to open up that sunroof, simply click to let in some light and air. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, power tracking running boards, body colored door handles with intelligent access, keyless entry keypad, driver's side Capless easy fuel gas filler, power sliding rear window. That body-colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below that handle is your backup camera. On the bumper you have sensors. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector, a trailer tow hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply double-click your key fob, and it will release for you. You can then walk up, and you notice the inside is nicely lined, and there's also tie-downs in all 4 corners. There's also box link, and your key fob has remote start. Storage, cup holder, and speaker in the door, as well as powered windows. The rear seat has seating for 3 in a 60-40 split. When you're ready to access that cargo area, simply put your hand underneath the seat and push up to enlarge the cargo space. When you're ready to put that seat back down in its original position, simply take your hand into that clip there and pull until the seat falls back down in its original position. At the base of the seat, you have anchors for baby seats. In the center there, an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, all-weather mats, and you're also seeing your extra carpeted mats. Behind the front seat, slim pockets. In the center there, a couple of cup holders, a 12-volt, 110-volt, USB outlets, and rear heated seats. Grab panels in the body to make it easier to get in. Power sliding rear window, and up above, lighting, hooks, and that dual moonroof. Body-colored bumper, mud flaps, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass, window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, front camera, front tow hooks, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.